All right, welcome to the next video in the sequence of Web Browsers 101 and how you can create shortcuts, bookmarks, and take advantage of features that are available in the different browsers to make your day a little bit easier as you interact with your computer. One thing we failed to do in the Edge browser videos was explain the difference in what the browsers look like. So right here on my screen in the middle, you can see that I've put the three different browsers up there. Sometimes you've got the titles right underneath them and sometimes you don't, but I know some people still get confused on which browser they're in. So we know that Chrome looks like this, Edge looks like this, and Internet Explorer looks like this one. If you're still using Internet Explorer, I would highly recommend you stop and you start using Edge or Chrome instead. And to make one last point about the browsers, I know some of you really prefer to have one browser or tell your students to use one browser all the time and that is the best browser for everything. But I will warn you that in technology, there is no best browser for everything. Well, I use Chrome a lot. I also have started to use Edge more and more, especially because of the taskbar options that I've explained in previous videos. But the reality is that no one browser is going to work perfect for all sites. Now, with that said, we're going to take a look in this video at how we can create shortcuts on the desktop like we did in the Edge browser, but using the Chrome browser this time. We're going to start by clicking on the Start button in the bottom left-hand corner, or you can click on the Windows key within your keyboard. We're going to select Settings. We're going to go to Apps, to Default Apps, and we're going to click on the Edge option here for the web browser default, and we're going to change it to Chrome. When we do that, watch what happens right here on your screen to that icon. And voila, just like magic, it says, hey, we recognize now that anytime you double click on that, we expect that you want us to open that website up in Chrome just like you wanted. So that's the good thing. We know that that's working the way it's supposed to. We're going to close our settings now, and we are going to look at the best, easiest way to create a shortcut here within Chrome. So I'm going to go back over here to my TCA website, and in the upper left-hand corner of that URL or address bar window, I can left click and hold on it, simply drag it over to my desktop and let go, and I instantly now have a shortcut that will open when I double click it to that website within the Chrome browser. Now you still have the option, just like the Edge videos, where you can right click, select New, Shortcut, and set up that shortcut just like you did for the Edge videos. But since we did that already, we're not going to go through that again. The easiest thing you can do within Chrome is just drag them on over and get ready to go. And you can double click on those and have them open up in Chrome just like you'd want. So in the next video, we're going to look at how you can create bookmarks and get these set up here within the Chrome browser, just like we did within the Edge browser. Hope this comes in handy. Let us know if you got any questions. Thanks a lot.